Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. Also located within the boot, you can find your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 22,043 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You are also able to deploy and stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin, and as well as this, you also have your 4x4 modes along with your wade sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, along with electronic air suspension helping to raise or lower the vehicle, making it suitable for any condition. You of course have the off-road feature on your 360 view camera, and the 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.